Well, I guess one word to describe Andwell is life. My experience here has brought me from life to death. I've dealt with babies, I've dealt with dying, and everything in between. And you have the ups, the downs, and everything.
Being here for 29 years has taught me to take good care of patients, the whole person. And that is one of the greatest things about doing home health, I think, having that time to get to know your patients.
I would describe our patients as some of the most incredible people I have ever had the honor of meeting and working with. They invite us into their homes in really, really difficult times. They are so kind to us, even in the midst of their challenges.
Over the 30 years that I've been working here, some of my best friends are people that I've met through working at Andwell. Some don't even work here anymore, and I still have maintained those close relationships.
I'm very thankful for the opportunity to be able to work for such a great organization that really focuses on the nonprofit mission. Coming from being a Maine girl, right out, and I've been in healthcare my whole career, being able to give back to the community is really impactful, and to be part of this experience in this organization is really special to me.
My patients and families have taught me resiliency, that we have no idea what people go through on a day-to-day basis unless we're walking that walk with them.
When I started in hospice, we were a team, and you helped each other, you taught each other, you helped us through the struggles. If you had a bad day, you always knew you had a team to come back to and somebody to shoulder to cry on. But you also had a team you could come back to and laugh.
I think the community has respect for Andwell, and I think they are appreciative. Usually if I mention that I work there, I usually get a comment about, oh, they did this for my aunt or my mother or whatever. They were wonderful. So I think they have a lot of respect and appreciation.
When I first started here, I'm out in the field. I started as a field nurse, and you have the uniform, the logo wear, right? And you finish your day and you stop at the grocery store to grab something, and almost routinely you were stopped and somebody was sharing a story of how important the care that we had provided meant to them and their family. So it's honorable, I'm honored to be a part of this organization.
Andwell's taught me about family and about caregiving. So family is not just at Andwell, but the coworkers that I work with are family. The clients that we have, that they while they're on service and even after, become part of our family. I've learned compassion and different types of nursing, and respectful of where that client or their family are in their journey, to helping them get better, to having dignity when they die.
Patients, they're just amazing. Doing hospice, people in the community would say, how can you work with dying people? And I'd say, they're not dying. They're alive every day till they die. But they were just so giving of themselves and opening their homes to us. It's wonderful.
Andwell has taught me that, I think this idea of people caring for people, you see that every day here at Andwell. During the time I've worked here, my father passed away on our service, and I got to actually experience the clinical side of our organization and the good work that our nurses and our social workers and our chaplains do for our hospice program. And it just was really meaningful, and it taught me a lot about the way we handle compassionate care is so essential for our community, and to see that as a firsthand experience for such a, losing a parent is a hard thing for anyone to experience, but knowing you have the support of your colleagues here at Andwell, and just that Andwell is out there in the community doing this work was just really impactful for me.
The best thing about working here, I would have to say, is the people and my team. I connected and bonded so quickly with the group of individuals that I work with, and I think that has been extremely beneficial to the work we're doing. We all really support each other, and we feel connected to each other, and we know that we've got each other's backs, and I think that's the most important thing about Andwell, is you just feel that everyone is working towards the same goal.
Andwell has taught me compassion and empathy, really, and how much it means to improve somebody's quality of life. Just seeing, although I don't work out in the field, just seeing the impact we have on our patients' lives is amazing.
My colleagues are the best thing about working at Andwell. I have the support of an amazing team around me all of the time. We have a lot of fun together, I would say. We laugh, we experience each other's joys and our heartaches. We're there for each other, both professionally, but also personally. I think that's really important, that you have a team around you that cares about you and your life and your profession and moving the organization forward. And I think that's the team I have around me. And it's the greatest thing to have a team that's so supportive and so compassionate and really wanting to make an impact in our community.
I would say what Andwell has taught me, compared to my other roles in other organizations, is the purpose of their mission and everything that rolls behind it, the values, the norms, the behaviors, and the pillars of the company, which is really all this is the foundation of the culture. They put a lot of time and effort into that, and it's a good spin-off for everything we do. Well, first of all, in HR, there's always a challenge every day. And if you do not smile, there's going to be a problem because you're in employee relations, number one. But what truly makes me smile is the passion, the integrity that everyone has in this organization.
This organization is very much dedicated to the community and its employees, and I think that fosters dedication within its employees. There's been a lot of professional growth within me as well because of the opportunities that the organization has given me, or the people that I'm surrounded by that inspire me.
The people that I work with are phenomenal. They're supportive. If I have a question, they're ready to answer and help me out, guide me through everything. I actually really enjoy coming into work every day. It's fantastic to see the people that I get to work with.
I'm happy. I love it. Everyone here at Andwell, especially at the hospice house, because that's where I work, are like my second family.
Funny that we don't talk about 60 years. I've been here for 35 years, right? And that the changes that this agency has made, we went from, when I first arrived, we were in a different building. And then we've come to this building, and this building we had because we were on paper charting. And we all had to come in the morning, get our chart. We had a beeper. We were lucky we had a beeper because sometimes we had a calling card. And then we went to electronic records. We've just journeyed through so many things, and now we've had a hospice house, and now different lines of business. We've just come a long way in 60 years.
If I had to describe Andwell in one word, it would be compassion.
In one word, it would be mission. I feel like every decision we make here at Andwell is based in our mission, and it is alive every day in all the decisions we make.
That word would be integrity.
The word I would use to describe Andwell, I can think of many, but the big one that comes to my mind is innovative. When you think of healthcare, you're going to hear community, you're going to hear trust, but what you don't see is, the very large health networks in our environment are reacting to the environment as AI comes out, as new software is rolled out. They're very slow to adopt it. Andwell's differentiator is being able to adopt to that technology quickly, to implement it fast, and to pivot as necessary. We have some of the best technology in the industry, I would argue, in the segment, and we're really looking forward to the next couple of years and embracing it with the mission.
In one word, I would describe Andwell as dedicated.
Probably compassionate with, the hospice house and the hospice nurses, really primarily. It's just seeing these nurses and how they support the community and how compassionate they are with their patients and how much they actually do care. That's probably the biggest thing here at Andwell.
The one word that is Andwell, that is my career here, is community. It's the community that we build here in our walls, in our communities, as well outside these walls. And the community is all about who we serve. That's what we serve. The community is outside as well as each other inside.
If I had to describe Andwell in one word, I would say trust.
I would say phenomenal. In everything that we do, there's thoughtfulness behind it. It always relies on patient experience, employee experience in the community, which I believe is the whole heart of this company. It is phenomenal because of everybody in it. Every day, no matter what we have to do to get to that finish line, to make, for our community experience and our patient experience and family experience, phenomenal.
It's kind of hard to describe Andwell in one word. However, I want to say compassion is probably one of the biggest things that drives Andwell forward. They care about the people that work there. They care about their patients, and it's an amazing place to work. I mean, I've met people who I've never seen before within the company, and it's like I've been here forever and they've known me forever, and it's a great feeling to know that I'm part of the team.
If I had to describe Andwell in one word, it would be caring. Caring for the community, the patients we serve, and the staff who take care of the patients and the community and the families.
One word that describes what we do in this community, I think it's give hope. And I think that we give hope with, no matter where you are in your life, that Andwell's going to give you hope to either get better or to help you when you're passing. That's what we do.